Hi back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete emails on Android step by step in a simple and easy way. If your inbox is full and you want to clean it up quickly, this guide will help you a lot. First of all, open the Gmail app. This is the default app where you receive and manage all your emails. Once the app opens, you will see a list of emails in your inbox. Now, locate the email you want to delete. To select it, tap and hold on the email. You will notice a check mark appear and the top menu will change. From the top of the menu, tap on the trash delete icon. That's it. The selected email will be moved to the trash folder. If you want to delete more than one email at the same time, simply tap and hold one email, then tap on other emails to select them, and finally press the trash icon. You can also empty the trash folder later to permanently delete emails and free up storage space. This method helps keep your inbox clean, organized, and easy to manage. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.